What makes you think the Honmun can save a guy like me?
A guy who tried to help his family? You made a mistake, Chinu.
It's not that simple.
But I am a mistake. Have been since the moment I was born. So I have to believe. Because if there's no hope for you, what hope is there for me? That's the funny thing about hope. Nobody else gets to decide if you feel it. That choice belongs to you. Fine. Your loss.
I was just trying to get the bracelet. For what it's worth, I don't think you're a mistake.
We broke into a million pieces and